Hello people, this is my italeri HEMTT gun trap finished. I really like the way it's turned out, hope you do too. I'm especially proud of the rusty panels. I think they turned out quite well. I used what was it? Ammo Meg rust effects for that. Used all the colours apart from the chipping obviously, and I like the way it turned out. Weathered it fairly well, not too sandy, but plenty of sand on sandy pigments and washes on the undercarriage, the wheels, and then dust coated at the end. It was an enjoyable build. Some of the bits didn't fit too well, but I guess that's just because it's a italeri kit, and I've probably been spoiled a little bit by other manufacturers like Meng or AFV Club, Dragon, Tamiya and that sort of thing. But it's still a recommended one. Interesting subject too, I think. A truck with rusty panels bolted to it for extra armour. I added the resin wheels because I didn't think the kit ones were up to good enough standard. The detail wasn't too good and so on. And then I added my own stowage, so in the back you got a little bit from the kit that it came with, a bag and a helmet. I used some from Meng's, that's it. I used some from Pro Art Models modern equipment set, and some from modern US Marine individual load carrying equipment. So that was resin. The Pro Art Models was resin, and obviously the Meng was plastic. The wheels were resin as well. Yeah, I think I've included everything. I hope you like it. I'm not sure if these. I didn't see any pictures online with the these warning signs on it, but I thought it added a bit of different sort of tones and interest to the model. So, like I said before, I'm not really going for, what do you call it, 100% accuracy. As long as it looks fairly accurate. I'm not trying to win any awards or anything like that. So yeah, so that was that. What else? Yeah, I think that's added the chain on the front. You'll see it when it comes around, or you've probably already seen it. The crane can be made movable, but it's still movable and it's up and down, but it's glued in from the left and right motion. So you could pose it as lifting something, I suppose. You can pose these hatches up or down. So you've got another panel for the door there, but I left that open so you can see it. You can pose the driver's door open, but I left it closed. Put some chipping on it. So yeah, I'll add on to the end of this video about my Christmas haul. So for Christmas. I got from my other half's parents. I'll try and get that in. I got Italeri Tiger One, which is very nice. I look forward to building that. And then for my birthday, which was on the 28th, just after Christmas, me and my other half went down to the model shop and she bought me a couple models for my birthday, which was so very nice. So I chose to get AFE Clubs British CVRT FE 101 Scorpion. So looking forward to building that. It's got the aluminium gun barrel photo etch and could be made into mainland British, Desert Storm, UN, Spain and Belgium Liverpool, I suppose, paint jobs. I'm probably going to do a UN one, just for something different when I eventually get around to that. So yeah, that was that. And the other one that she got me, just get to it because I plan to do this one next, was getting AFE Clubs. Get that shot mark. Royal Australian Armoured Corps Mark 5/1 Centurion, used in the Vietnam War. So yeah, looking forward to that. I've also bought for it the canvas gun mantlet and individual tracks for that when they come. So yeah, looking forward to doing that one. Been doing mainly US sort of sand drab colours, so it'd be nice to do a green, something different. So yeah, that's about everything. I hope you had a good Christmas. I did, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have fun modelling. Goodbye.